Hello traders, today I want to share with you my weekly watches for 22 of June. So let's start with the New Zealand Canadian dollar. If you check the weekly chart, we can see that we have an uptrend price confirm weekly 1 to 3 and broke weekly 2 to 3 line. Then on the daily we got that daily trend line break, price created higher high and broke EMA 36 and trend line and retraced a little bit, so I want to see a daily 1 to 3 and let the price make, I don't know, 1 or 2 daily candles and then break that daily 2 to 3 line and then start looking for long setups to target that previous highs here and here. Then New Zealand USD dollar. If you check the weekly chart, we can see that we have an uptrend, but it looks like we have kind of a range here. And if you check the daily chart, we can see that we have daily range here. Price bounced from weekly and daily support and moved back into that range. So price bounced over resistance and made some spikes here. So what I'm waiting is let the price bounce, give us some confirmed signals, and then start looking for entries to target that range support here and here. So around 200 pips away. Then Australian dollar CHF on the weekly, we got that trend line break, price made higher high, higher low, broke weekly 2 to 3 line, broke 2 to 3 line and DMA 36 and moved up. So on the daily we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 touches. Daily trend line, price broke that horizontal resistance line here, created higher high here and higher low is informing we have support here, and it looks like a daily 1 to 3, so we want to watch closely if price want to break that 2 to 3 line and then start looking to target that area here. Then euro Australian dollar on the weekly, we got that trend line break, lower low, lower high, lower low, crossover. So pressure is to the downside. On daily we have downtrend line, price broke that horizontal support and resistance line, created lower low and lower high still informing we have stronger resistance line here, so that trend line EMA 36 and horizontal resistance. So if price retrace to here and then start breaking it, we want to watch closely and then target that area, so around 400 pips away. GBP Australian dollar on the weekly, we have an uptrend, but we can see that price stopped and start ranging or wedging here. So price is squeezed between major support and resistance area. If we check the daily chart, we can see that we have wedge and range here. Price bounced again from resistance, moved back up again. So I want to see clear break above or below that areas and then start looking for nice setups. On the GBP US dollar, if you check the weekly chart, we can see that we have an uptrend. Price confirmed weekly 1 to 3 again, bounced from support, moved up. Major resistance is around 300 plus pips away. If you check the daily chart, price broke that daily trend line, created higher high. Price actually moved around 330 pips to the upside. So I want to see that daily 1 to 3 here. So let the price retrace nicely and then start looking for setups to target that resistance line. So around 450 pips of room. Then euro JPY. On the weekly we have an uptrend but we have also lower highs here, so it looks like a kind of wedge here. Price bounce from support, but if you check the daily, price created lower low and lower high isn't forming, so if you want to trade short, let the price really break that 2 to 3 line for sure and give us some entry setups below it. If price moved up, we want to wait for nice setups here and then target around 200 pips area. The same on the CHF JPY. For longs, weekly is an uptrend, but we have lower highs also, so it looks like a wedge here. Price bounced from support, moved up around 100 pips. So on the daily we have kind of a triple bottoms here. Price bounced here again and we have that lower highs on the daily too, so it looks like a wedge here. So I want to see a clear break of that daily trend line and then setups to target that weekly resistance line around 170 pips away. On the GBP JPY, if you check the weekly, we have a big uptrend, but we have price in the wedge also, and it looks like it started to break here. That horizontal line, next resistance is around 600 pips away. Previous highs and lows here. So if you check the daily, we can see that we have that resistance trend line, some previous highs, and that's kind of a support line here. Price made higher low here and then higher high, so I want to see a nice daily 1 to 3 here and then start looking for setups to target that 650 pips area away. Then New Zealand Japanese yen. On the weekly we have an uptrend, price made higher high, higher low, bounce from trend line, broke weekly 2 to 3 line, confirm it, and then if we check the daily we can see that we have here a nice daily trend line break. Price created a higher high, moved up around 300 pips, so we want to see nice retracement back to the support line and then start looking for nice setups to target previous highs here, and if it breaks we have no target actually, so only to the upside. So those are all pairs for that week, so catch up soon and have a good week. Bye.